Online distance learning has become a necessity, especially during the COVID-19 epidemic. Students are now connecting with educational resources from home, relying on video conferencing tools like Teams and Zoom to communicate with their teachers. However, this shift has brought its own set of challenges. Many students miss the face-to-face interaction they once had in classrooms, leading to feelings of boredom and disengagement. Teachers are now faced with the important task of finding new ways to motivate students and keep them involved in class activities. In this video, we'll explore practical strategies and digital tools that can make online learning not just effective, but truly enjoyable for everyone involved. To address the lack of engagement in online classes, teachers are turning to interactive websites that offer quizzes and language games. These platforms, such as Mentimeter, allow educators to create fun, dynamic activities that encourage participation. By integrating these tools, students can interact with the material in new ways, making lessons more lively and memorable. Signing up is simple. Teachers can register with their email and start building their own web pages for quizzes. This approach not only breaks the monotony of traditional online classes, but also fosters a sense of competition and collaboration among students. Let's see how these tools can transform the virtual classroom experience. Once registered, teachers can easily design their own quizzes by writing questions and providing multiple answer options. These quizzes can be shared with students in several ways, by sending a link or providing a code to join. Students simply click the link or enter the code to participate, making the process seamless and accessible. This method not only simplifies assessment but also makes learning interactive and fun. Teachers can monitor responses in real time, giving instant feedback and fostering a more connected learning environment. By leveraging these digital tools, educators can ensure that students remain active participants, even from a distance. The ultimate goal of online teaching is to ensure that all students actively participate in the learning process. This can be achieved by varying teaching aids and methods to capture students' attention and get them involved in the subject matter. Choosing the right topic, method, and time limit is crucial for maintaining engagement. By combining interactive tools, thoughtful lesson planning, and a focus on student involvement, teachers can create a vibrant and effective online classroom. With these strategies, online learning becomes not just a necessity but an opportunity for growth and innovation in education.